Hi, I'm Tanya with Kerr Dental. Today I'm going to talk about OptiBond 360 with direct restorations. Important to note that you want to use your OptiBond 360 bond after the prep of the tooth is complete. The reason for that is you want to make sure that the solvent system is doing its job and not being placed or evaporated too early. With our OptiBond 360 bottle, we have an amazing component of being able to press this button and have the lid pop right open. What's amazing about that is the fact that you are not cross-contaminating by accidentally having your finger touch the tip. After your tooth is prepped, you can go ahead and dispense your OptiBond 360 into your definite dish with one drop and set that down. Now the doctor has a choice of using all etching techniques with our OptiBond 360, meaning they can do total etch, selective etch, or no etch with this bond. The other thing that's nice about our bond for the clinic is that it can be set at ambient temperature, which means you don't need to refrigerate it. So if we are using etch in the procedure, I want you to go ahead and place whichever etch style you'd like, whether total etch or selective etch. Place the etch, and then you're going to wait 15 seconds. After the 15 seconds, rinse off the tooth with water, and then gently air dry the tooth for 5 seconds. You do not want to desiccate or over dry the tooth. That will collapse your dental tubules and make it so the bond doesn't soak down into the tooth. After you have dried the tooth, if you're using etch, you're going to apply the bond. Now, if you didn't want to use etch, you can skip to this next part, which is applying OptiBond 360. When you apply the bond, you want to take your microbrush and gently scrub the tooth back and forth for 20 seconds. We want to ensure that you are scrubbing it for 20 seconds and not any less time. The bond is soaking deep down into the dental tubules and also helping with any sensitivity. So scrub it for the full 20 seconds. After that, take your air, gently air dry it for another 5 seconds. Make sure that it has a glossy, uniform appearance. If you're noticing that there isn't all a uniform glossy appearance, go ahead and add another round of the bond for 20 seconds to that area. Lightly air dry it for 5 seconds, and then take your curing light. If it's a Demi Plus, you're gonna go ahead and cure it for 5 seconds.